So I got the stick vacuum from BSNAW. In this video, I'm just going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase and a quick guide on how to put this together and use it. But it's all very, very simple. So what you're going to get is the head of the vacuum itself. It's going to come fully assembled for you, so you don't need to do anything with that. You're going to have the battery and the charger. This plugs into any normal outlet, very easy to use. Put the battery on, just going to go underneath here, slide it into place, it'll click, and you're ready to start using this vacuum. As for the attachments, you're going to get the carpet head here. It's going to be what you put in there to kind of extend it, or if you want to get those hard to reach areas, maybe in the corners of your ceiling or wall, you can use this and I'll expand it. Very, very simple. And you get these two heads here. I like to use these in my car, and how these work is all very, very simple. So what you're going to do here is just plug it in. Let's say, hey, I want to go do my car. We can just click that into place. Now we're ready to vacuum the car. Maybe it's time to clean the carpet now. We'll click this into place. Just like that. On the bottom here is going to be where you can pull this in and out to adjust it to whatever height is best for you. And we can click into the carpet head. And I actually did just get carpet in my house. I've used this for about an hour. It worked out awesome just for something like that. And I would say new carpet when you're vacuuming, you know, there's quite a bit going on. I did have it on the higher setting, but at the higher setting, it did work very, very well. So I was very, very happy with it. Now, in addition to that, you're also going to get a holder here. So if you want to just hang it on your wall like this, you can do that. And they do give you the nails to put that into your wall. So you don't need any tools of yourself other than just a screwdriver to screw it in. Now we're going to get these HEPA filters here along with a cleaning brush to help you kind of clean out everything. But how these work is they're washable. You get two of them. One's already installed for you. The bottom here is going to be where you open it up and you take out all your dust or whatever you get. And how you do that is you click that button here and it'll open up. And now we can take this filter and we're just going to twist it and you can pull it right out. That easy. So you can clean this. It's going to be where that filter is. And now, like I said, these are washable. Easily pull it out. Clean all this with water, just set it in the sun and just let it dry for, you know, maybe 24 hours before you put it back in. And you're good to go, ready to vacuum again. We'll twist this into place. Just kind of got to find the groove there. Let's see where it is. All right, there we go. That easy. So all of this is very, very simple to use. So I'm going to just grab the camera, bring it a little bit closer, and I'll show you how the dials work, but there's really only two of them. So everything is very easy. Okay, and here's what the top of it is going to look like. So there's going to be a trigger here. That's how you turn it on. And this is going to be how you do the power. So there's going to be two power settings. So let's turn it on. It's going to be pretty loud. Just let you know so don't blow out your speakers, but we'll turn it on. And you can see here it is halfway. Now it's full. So very, very easy, and I'll turn it off so you can hear me, but as you can see here, it counts down the power digitally so you know exactly what you have, whether it's 92% or 52%, you're going to know that exactly, but that's going to be how you use it. Overall, this has worked out awesome for me. Like I said, I got new carpet in. I was doing some pretty heavy vacuuming and I was able to handle that. Just with heavier stuff, I would put it up all the way to 100%, and I was able to vacuum for about that full 40 minutes like they said on the listing. So I am very, very happy with this. Like I said, affordable, easy to put together, exactly what I need for my house. So I give it 2 thumbs up.